glowing skin can make the complexion look less fresh and radiant. Today, I'm sharing a simple homemade solution. Let's get started. First, I'm placing a bunch of parsley into a glass bowl. Next, I'll add a little baking soda and water to wash it thoroughly. This simple step helps remove dirt and impurities, leaving the parsley clean and ready for our step. Parsley contains vitamin C and antioxidants and is widely used in natural beauty routines. Now that our parsley is clean, I'll roughly chop it into smaller pieces. Glow girls, have you ever used parsley in skincare before? Let me know in the comments. Come on, glow girlies, subscribe to the channel. We're close to 1K. Now that our parsley is chopped, I'm transferring it into a clean glass bowl and setting it aside. Now I'm taking one potato. Potato is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that may help brighten the appearance of dull skin and leave it looking fresh and refreshed. I'll peel the potato and cut it into small pieces. Well, Glow Girls, which country are you watching from? Make sure to comment below. Glow Girls, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're so close to 1K. Now I'm adding the potato to a hand blender jar. Now I'll add the chopped parsley too. Add some water, it will help the mixture be smooth. You want a fine and lump-free mixture. And it's time to blend everything together until smooth. As this blends together, let me remind you that glowing skin is not created by one product alone. It's built through small habits repeated every day, like drinking enough water, sleeping well, wearing your sunscreen, and being consistent with your routine. Now I'm taking a clean glass bowl and covering it with a muslin cloth. Next, I'll pour the blended mixture onto the cloth and gently squeeze out all of the liquid. Take your time with this step and extract every last drop of that goodness. Now I'm transferring the pulp to a separate bowl and setting it aside for later. Look at that beautiful emerald green color. I'm transferring the liquid to a saucepan. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch is known for its oil-absorbing properties that may help the skin look less greasy and more smooth and refreshed. Give everything a good mix until the cornstarch is fully dissolved. Now place it over low heat and keep stirring continuously. Do not stop stirring. Glow Girls, this step is important for achieving a smooth texture. Continue stirring until the texture thickens into a rich, creamy consistency. Once it thickened, remove it from the heat and transfer it into a clean bowl. Like the video for this beautiful ripe olive color. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is closest to our skin's natural sebum, which means it helps balance oil, deeply moisturize, and leave skin looking soft and healthy. Next, I'm adding 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a popular skincare ingredient known for its moisturizing and antioxidant properties, helping the skin feeling soft and nourished. Give everything a good mix until smooth and fully combined. And just like that, our homemade cream is ready. Now transfer it into a clean container. This cream can be stored in the fridge for up to 7 days. Let me know in the comments where are my glow girlies watching from and how's the weather there. And for best results, apply it 3 times a week as part of your skincare routine. This nourishing cream helps the skin feel hydrated, smooth, and refreshed, while supporting a firmer, more youthful looking appearance. If you're enjoying the DIY so far, hit the like button. Now let's make a gentle scrub using the pulp we saved earlier. First, I'm taking rice flour. Rice flour is a viral DIY skincare ingredient that may gently exfoliate, absorb oil, and leave your skin looking smoother and brighter. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is loved for its moisturizing properties and it helps the skin feel soft and nourished. Give everything a good mix until well combined. And just like that, our homemade facial scrub is ready. Now I'll transfer it into a clean glass bowl. Since the scrub contains fresh ingredients, it should be used immediately and is not suitable for storage. Glow girls, which would you try first, the cream or the scrub? Let me know in the comments. Apply it to clean skin using gentle circular motion for up to 1 to 2 minutes. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our Glow family. Before you go, what should I make next? Anti-aging, glass skin, or acne care? Take care of yourselves, stay consistent, bye-bye!